of the Democrats who voted to censure Rashida and how much they got from AIPAC. Rodrigo Wilson, $35,308 from AIPAC. Richie Torres, $348,000 from AIPAC. Darren Soto, $76,215. Kim Schreier, $167,239. Brad Schneider, more than $1.1 million. Pat Ryan, $70,900 from AIPAC. Chris Pappas, $234,189. Wiley Nicole, $18,350. Jared Maskowitz, $42,800. Kathy Manning, more than $557,000. Susie Lee, $115,855,000. Greg Landsman, $36,625. Josh Gottheimer, more than $1.1 million. Dan Goldman, $51,125. Jared Golden, a little bit more than $300,000. Luis Frankel, about $336,000. Angie Craig, a little bit more than $169,000. Jim Costa, about $258,000. Steve Cohen, almost $100,000 in total. These are all of the politicians who are Democrats but still voted to censure fellow Democrat Rashida Tlaib. Do with this information what you will.